Find the x and y intercepts for each quadratic equation. Write the intercepts as points x, y. Alright, so we aren't given a graph here. We need to, in a sense, kind of figure out those points algebraically. So, to find x-intercepts, what we will do is what we did for lines. We will let y equal 0 and solve for x. So, doing that, we would have 0 is equal to x squared plus 8x minus 20. This is a quadratic equation in x. We can solve with factoring. Using our techniques for factoring, the right-hand side, x squared plus 8x minus 20, factors as x minus 2 by x plus 10. Using our zero product property, we would have x minus 2 is 0, or x plus 10 is 0. And solving for x in each of these equations, I'll add 2 both sides in the first equation. I'll subtract 10 from both sides on the second equation, yielding x equals 2 and x equals negative 10. So our x-intercepts then are 2, 0 and negative 10, 0. To find y-intercepts, we let x equal 0 and solve for y. Alright, so letting x equal 0, I would have y equals 0 squared plus 8 times 0 minus 20. So y would equal 0 plus 0 minus 20. So y would equal negative 20. And so then the y-intercept is 0, negative 20. All right, here's another example. Now we have the equation y equals negative 10x plus 25. All right, so let's find x-intercepts. We will let y equal 0. So then 0 is x squared minus 10x plus 25. All right, using our factoring techniques, pair of numbers that have a product of 25 and add to negative 10 are negative 5 and negative 5. So 0 equals x minus 5 by x minus 5. Well, setting each of these factors to 0, we have x minus 5 is 0 or x minus 5 is 0. It's the same thing. So we add 5 to both sides. Let me be consistent with my color usage here. Add 5 to both sides. So we find x is 5 or x is 5. Well, that's the same thing twice. So it's really only one solution at x equals 5. And so we would only have one x-intercept at 5, 0. Let's find any y-intercepts. We will let x equal 0. So we have y equals 0 squared minus 10 times 0 plus 25, which is 0 minus 0 plus 25, which is 25. And so our y-intercept is 0, 25. And a third exercise, we have y equals x squared plus 6x plus 5. All right, so let's find x-intercepts. We'll let y equal 0. 0 equals x squared plus 3x plus 5. All right, let's see. We need a product of 5 that sums to 3. Oh, 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 plus 5 is 6, so that doesn't work. And our only other possibility would be negative 1 times negative 5, and those sum to negative 6. We cannot factor the polynomial, so we cannot find x-intercepts from factoring. There may still be x-intercepts. Alright, and let's find the y-intercept by letting x equal 0. So that would give us y equals 0 squared plus 3 times 0 plus 5. So y would equal 0 plus 0 plus 5, and so y equals 5. So the y-intercept is 0, 5.